Hello again, my friends. I've got another wand. This one is Acacia with a phoenix feather core, 11.5 inches, and it is a super solid wand. Heavier than most wands that I make, but still got a good balance to it. And this one's headed to Davie, Florida, and I'm excited to send it off. I'll go ahead and show you some close-ups now and talk a little bit about the wood type. Acacia wood is a very unusual wand wood that can create tricky wands that often refuse to produce magic for anyone but their owner, and also withhold their best effects from all but those of the most gifted and talented witches and wizards. This sensitivity renders them difficult to place, and I keep only a small stock for those witches and wizards who are of sufficient subtlety, for Acacia is not suited for what is commonly known as bangs and smells magic. When well matched, an Acacia wand matches any for power, though it is often underrated due to the peculiarity of its temperament. And again, thank you very much for watching my video and checking out this wand. Hopefully you enjoy it and you have a good and great week, and come what may. Well, talk to you later.